we're on a trail. It feels so good to be out here.
The wind from that storm feels good.
It might rain soon. We're seeing some clouds that look like they might give us some rain. We will take it as a blessing. If you are here with us, you are here to relax, reset your nervous system, enjoy the idea of beautiful people gathering together to walk through nature. It's happening virtually, and it could also happen physically. There are so many trees.
Feels weird being someplace so quiet.
2 grasshoppers.
Oh, big boys.
I don't know if they're on camera or not.
They're just crawling. I thought they jump around.
I've never.
Grass crawlers.
Grass crawlers.
Should have invested in a poncho.
Why?
Because we're gonna get poured on.
We will be cleansed.
Right, we're going to be blessed and cleansed and soaking
Oh,
wet.
another one. We've seen 4 grasshoppers so far. Or they might be grass crawlers.
Yeah, these ones are different.
Ooh,
Oh, this looks cool.
this is cool.
Like the tree coverage.
Yeah. Oh, so cool.
It really does feel so good out.
What do you think nature says right now?
That these two are silly. Don't they see these giant poopy rain clouds coming?
What? Nature is not judging
They'll
us.
be fine, but they're gonna get all wet and cold.
I think nature is saying, thank you for visiting us. We're
Yeah.
so happy to feel your energy. Children of the earth.
And maybe that's what I was saying. I think that the tree's saying more what you're saying.
Number 5. I'm counting all the
Yeah, there's so
grasshoppers.
many. 6.
Did you see one?
Oh, he jumped.
He
did it.
jumped. Oh, they
Alright.
heard us. They wanted to hop for us.
They're hoppers again.
We should see if we should like manifest seeing a hawk.
Let's take a left.
Okay, we're going left. I'm thinking of wrapping up the video soon so I can focus a majority of my energy on the walk and on this dude. But thank you for joining me for a little relaxing walk, and I'm glad that I can now remember this day more vividly with the video.
Goodbye.